So, if you're wondering how to exactly fix your controller stick drift here on Fortnite, well, there is a setting here that you could actually access. So, what do you need to do? Well, first things first is you want to go and just log in into Fortnite, and you want to go to your settings. So, at the top right, you want to go and click on your profile. Go and just click on the settings icon you see at the bottom left of the screen, and you want to go ahead and just choose your controller settings here, and you want to go and just go to the left panel, and you want to go and just choose controller dead zone. Now in here you should see your controller dead zone, so that includes the left stick dead zone and the right stick dead zone here. So what you need to do here is you need to adjust a few things. So as you can see, if you move things around, as you can see here now, you can actually see your controller moving in here. As you can see, the left stick dead zone and the right stick dead zone here. So you can actually adjust that. So if you do see a little bit of yellow, you just need to increase or maybe decrease the size, just so that the actual value just exceeds, or the blue circle is just like a bit more than the yellow circle that you see there, because the yellow one is going to be your sensitivity. This what's the input is. So as you can see, like for example, if this the yellow that you're seeing right now, well, you just need to increase the value just a bit here, like this one, and you should be able to use it normally after that, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.